Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't tryna pressure her. She messed with the temperature.
Hi guys, welcome to the vlog, and today we are going to unbox a Rode Video Micro, which is mostly used by the vloggers. It is easy to carry and no batteries are required, and I bought this on Amazon for 5,500 on an offer, and the maximum retail price written on the box is 6,100. You can see it. I think my camera is out of focus. Yeah, now you can see it. Okay, let's check the box. It comes with 2 years warranty, no battery required, compact size, and some suspension mount included. Okay, let's open the box. The top. Okay, I can see that dead cat, and the video micro is inside the dead cat already, and the suspension mount and 3.5 mm jack. I think it's TRRS cable, guys. TRRS point. Okay, let's open it. Okay, here comes. This is the suspension mount. It's written as 1922 mm on bottom here. I hope you guys can see. It can be directly mounted to the DSLR cameras, guys, or any camera mounts like here. It's rotatable. It's some hard to rotate it. Okay, and here comes the cable. It's 3.5 mm jack, and guys, it cannot be directly connected to the mobile phones. This is a TRRS connection, and our mobile phone has TRRS connection, so we need a converter for this from TRRS to TRRS cable. Yeah, so that this video micro also can be used, and it's stretchy. And the Rode branding is on top of it on both the sides. Okay, and there is some quick start guide. It tells about something, how to install it, how to connect with and guys, there is a QR code to which the website, so that you can activate the 2 years warranty for the Rode Video Micro. Okay, let's keep it aside. And some silica gel. We don't need that. And here comes the product, guys. It's already inside the dead cat. Okay, let's take it out. Let's take outside. Oh, it's very hard, guys. And here comes the Video Micro. It says Video Micro, made in Australia, and serial number, and the Rode branding is here, guys. Guys, this is the microphone. I think here it feels solid, guys. It's fully made of metal. It feels very solid. It will not break. Yeah. And here comes the dead cat, which reduces the wind noise. The quality of the dead cat is nice. That's all, guys. Wait, let me set it up with my camera and show you guys. I think first let's keep this. I think this goes up here. It's very tough, guys. It's very tough to insert it. Yeah, okay, I done it. Now let's just plug in the, guys, the TRRS pointers are gold plated. The quality is good. Okay, let's insert. the dead cat. Finally it looks like this when they all are connected. Let me mount it on top of the camera and show you guys how it looks like when it's mounted on a camera. It directly mounts to the flash, or I don't know what this is used for, external flash. It slides in. It's tough with this, and once it slides in you can tighten up the screw. Sorry guys, I didn't slide it inside well. Let me try it again. The screw is very tight. Sorry guys, sorry for the other noise because I'm recording this on my terrace. Okay guys, once it's mounted you can tighten it up and it can be connected to microphone port. And it should be connected to a microphone port on the camera. Like I don't know where. Okay, it should look like this when it's mounted on a camera. And if you're going to vlog it, guys, this is the best microphone for vlogging, I think. No batteries required, and the shock mount is good on the microphone. See how this looks. Okay, let's unmount this. Okay guys, this is all the products that gets inside the package. Sound test. This is the onboard microphone on the camera itself, and I'm not using any external microphones for recording this sound. This is the sound test with the Rode microphone, and I'm not having any dead cat on it. See the difference between the onboard microphone on the camera and the Rode microphone. This is the Rode microphone sound test with the dead cat on it, and you can see the difference that with the dead cat how the wind noise is reduced and only you can hear my voice clearly. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe for this channel for more videos. Bye.